Oh, is that Paolo?
Yes, it is.
Paolo.
Hello?
Hello, have I come through to Paolo?
Yes, it is.
Oh, hello, Paolo. I'll be very honest with you because I'm sure you get so many calls like this. It is a sales call. I don't know if that makes you want to slam the phone back down or let me have 30 seconds. Completely up to you.
Are you selling energy?
I'm not selling energy. Does that mean I can have 30 seconds? And if it's
So
not
what are you
relevant,
selling then?
great question. Can I whiz through quickly? And if by the end you hate the sound of my voice, you think it's not relevant, we can leave it there. Is that fair?
No, that's fine.
Okay, brilliant. Well, Paolo, if I told you I'm typically invited in by ambitious businesses who, if they're honest, they might be struggling with one of the following problems when it comes to new business and growth. So they're not getting in front of the right types of people. So it might be quality. You're wanting to focus on bringing in more of the right clients to the business. It could be you're not getting in front of enough
Sorry,
people.
what business do you think I'm in?
It's a great question. What business do you think that I think you're in?
I have no idea, but I'm a pizza restaurant.
You're not, are
I
you?
don't think I might be suitable for you.
Are you Paolo? Are you being genuinely serious?
Yeah,
I
just
thought-
search for Mori Pizzeria, and you'll see.
I thought that you owned a marketing agency. Why?
He has a margarita agency.
No, that's gone insolvent.
Oh, but you did at some point. You owned a marketing agency. So you said marketing to pizza.
Yeah, Mori Marketing.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, I set up a marketing agency to market the 4 pizza restaurants that I had, and all of them went insolvent, and so did Amori Marketing.
Right. Okay. So now it's just pizza.
I'm the one
pizza,
now
pizza.
wasting your time.
No. I'll always talk. You know what? Sometimes I cold call people. Sometimes they own a kebab shop. Sometimes they own a pizza shop. So.
But you know what? That's the best way to call. Listen, mate, I'm doing a sales call. Put the phone down or carry on listening. And every time you're the second person that's done that to me, and I'll always listen. Always.
You're a good
just
man.
out of respect.
You're a good man. I've got to ask you one last question before I let you go.
Yeah.
What's the most popular pizza that you sell?
Oh, the margarita, of course.
Margarita. Wow. And
not the Hawaiian.
And I've got. Well, that was my next follow-up question. Do you agree or do you not agree? Ham and pineapple.
That's the fourth. That's the 4th best-selling pizza.
And is pineapple on a pizza? Is that legal?
Well, in Italy it's illegal, but over here it's okay.
Okay.
I sell what the customers want.
Let's give them what they want. If they're exactly. Yeah. Build it and they'll come. Right. Lovely speaking to you. You've smashed it.
Good luck to you.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Cheers. Bye.